Hello guys, welcome back to my page. This is the Jess family. I'll be sharing with you how I made this vanilla delicious cake. So this cake is a request from my son that turned 9 years yesterday, and he doesn't like icing on his cake. So guys, let's get started. So for my dry ingredients, in a bowl I use them all-purpose flour 3 cups, and I use 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, this is salt I'm adding. So then I sieve them in a bowl. So for the wet ingredients in my mixing bowl, I added 230 room temperature butter, whisk it very well for 30 seconds. Make sure this is on medium speed guys until it's creamy. Then I added 2 cups of granulated sugar on medium speed guys. So after adding this, you allow it to go for 3 minutes until light and fluffy. Then here, while this is going on, I'll separate my egg white from the yolk. I only use the egg white. So in this recipe I use 5 eggs, but just the egg white. Then I added it bit by bit. So you can see I added it bit by bit, and I went on with my vanilla extract as well. I added 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then went on with my flour mix. I add the flour mix bit by bit again, and then add the milk as well. So for the milk, I alternate it with the dry ingredients, which is the flour. I add the flour, then go on with the milk bit by bit until I run out of them. So that is it guys. Make sure you do not overmix this, otherwise it will come out hard. Then once this is done, you guys can see it's looking really fluffy, very fluffy and nice. Then I'll spread some butter on the pan, and put my baking paper inside. Then now I'm just pouring the butter in. So once this is done, I transfer it into the oven. It's so easy guys, and this cake came out so delicious. Will you be trying? Please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to follow me, like, share and comment. Support your girl guys. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.